Okay, now we get to know a bird whose name is like a profession, but make no mistake, this secretary bird is not a typist or a schedule maker. Instead, he's known as the most stylish snake hunter in the avian world. He walks like a model, straight, elegant, confident, but once he meets a snake, his kicks are like martial arts moves. It can kill a snake with just long legs and a deadly kick. It's really a bird that prefers action over talk. What makes him even more iconic is the tuft on the back of his head. It's like fine feathers that stand up neatly, like a pen tucked in the ear. That's why it's called secretary. They say it's like an old secretary. This bird is really cool to symbolize calm but tough, graceful but fierce. So, if you think all birds can only fly and sing, this secretary bird can prove it. It's a different class.